Good morning. I'm Navneet Kaur from the CSE Department of Chandigarh Polytechnic College. Today I'm going to discuss the topic modems and data connections. So we'll have an overview of modem communications, digital data connections and wireless networks today in this lecture. First of all, what is a modem? Modem is a combination of two terms, modulator plus demodulator. Okay, so the function of this device is to convert the digital data of a computer system into analog signal and also to convert it back from analog signal into digital signal. Okay, earlier a system that was used was analog communication system, which was called as plain old telephone system or ports. In that system, only standard telephone lines were used for two-way voice communication, and the technology was analog communication medium, where the speed of communication was very slow. Okay, and modems, as I told you, it's the combination of two terms, modulator and demodulator. So this device performs two functions, analog to digital conversion as well as digital to analog conversion. Okay, and these modems have a speed of around 56 kbps. Okay, and there can be internal modems already incorporated inside the system, or we can attach them from outside also. Okay, now what are the uses of a modem? First of all, we need a modem to connect our system to the internet because it is a conversion device. The systems are digital systems, and where the transmission medium is analog, the digital data of computer system needs to be converted into analog signal. So therefore, this device is required for the conversion. At the sending device, when we are sending digital data, we have to put the data on line cable to which we have to transmit it. So here at the sending side, modem will convert the digital data into analog signal. Then it will put the data on analog wire, and that data will be transferred up to the receiving end. Now at the receiving end, we have received analog signal, so we have to send it to digital computer. So again, we require another modem at the receiving side, which will convert this analog signal back into digital data that can be put into the computer system. So modem is required at both the ends. The modem is required at both the ends. Secondly, it is used for file transfer, like uploading and downloading of files. Then also, then what is the need of digital data connection? We were using analog communication system, but it had a limitation of very low speed. So then came into existence the digital data connections. They have a fast speed as compared to analog transmissions. They will provide you fast speed. They are more reliable. So accordingly, the modems also have to be upgraded for the digital connection. So examples are broadband connection, which have a speed greater than 56 kbps. Okay, ISDN integrated services digital network. It is also digital connection which can support 64 kbps speed. And as we can see in the diagram, for ISDN network, integrated services digital network, an adapter is also required, ISDN adapter for completing the connection. Another can be T-line connection. It also offers a very good speed of 1.544 Mbps and 44.736 Mbps. There are two versions. Then another digital technology is DSL, which is digital subscriber line. Their speed ranges from 100 kbps to 30 Mbps. And there are two types, asymmetrical and symmetrical. These are two different types of DSL. Accordingly, we require a DSL modem also. Then there can be cable modem connections, which are most popularly used in offices. They require a cable modem with them. Then another is asynchronous transfer mode, which is basically used for efficient transfer of sound and video. And its basic requirement is a network interface card NIC, that is the bus for this connection. And the benefit, now we will discuss the benefits of wireless networks. If we are not using the wires, instead we are using wireless networks. The main advantage is that there will be no cables. Okay, mobile devices can easily access all the network resources, and the system will be very flexible for all. So for wireless networks, there are some well-defined network standards. Okay, so like 802.11, this is standard for Wi-Fi. It is by IEEE Institute, and further it has various versions also. And there is a requirement for wireless network, that is we should have a central wireless access point for every wireless network. It can be a router, or it can be any other networking device. Or we need a wireless adapter which is used by the devices to connect and also to provide good signal strength. So that was all about our modems and connections. So thanks to all for hearing.